This is an underrated conversation hack that you must try out. And I came across this idea by hearing Mel Robbins' podcast and on Spotify. And this is what she was talking about. She said that very often when we are wanting to hold a conversation with someone, whether it is a date, whether it is a client meeting, whether it is just meeting friends or family or any person, when you're meeting anybody in person, so what do we actually land up talking about? Is it just the weather? How are you doing? What are you? It's just very normal and basic questions. But what if you take out a little time just before that meeting or that particular conversation and think about some ideas that you can talk about? You can even use ChatGPT and feed in some prompts and tell them that, hey, I'm meeting a business associate today, and this is give the context behind that, and ask them like what are kind of conversations and topics that we could talk about. So this actually is a very underrated hack, because let's say you're talking to someone and then you fall short of ideas like what am I going to talk about, so you'll end up asking about the weather, and you'll end up talking about, okay, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, very generic things. But if you want your questions and if you want your conversation to go to the next level and have really interesting and intriguing conversations with people around you, I think if you're prepared in advance and you write down a few topics and have those topics at the back pocket. I mean, it's just a symbol. It's just a phrase I'm using, but you have that in your arsenal, and you have that those topics there written for you. And when you feel at the loss of words and you don't know what to say, you can just ask something or talk about something from that topic itself. So a lot of us, what we do is when we are going out to meet somebody, we put in a lot of effort as to what outfit we are going to wear, what jewelry we are going to wear, what are the accessories we are going to carry. But do you ever think about the topic or the conversation that you're going to have? No, right? But the conversation is the main thing, right? You're going to meet the person. The person is going to be interested. Most of us are actually interested in our own lives most of the time. But let's say if you prepare topics that where you ask about the other person a little more, so they will also feel really good about that. So definitely try this out and think of some topics that if you're going to have a meeting today or if you're going to meet a friend today, think of some interesting things that you're going to talk about and write them down. It's really going to help you.